Hope all is well. It's evening of the 27th of June, 2024. Going to a call in Connecticut where the homeowner says he has no idea what's going on with the system. So I said, what is it? He says, at this point I have no idea. I was like, all right, so we'll check it out, see what it is. Tomorrow's Friday. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Let's see what it is. Oh boy, I know what's gonna be wrong. Filter issue. Got a ladder here, that's good. Heat on, bro. Oh boy, is that airflow? Probably just got a filter issue based on this. Nope. It's not gonna be on cool. Leave that off, it's heat only. So the ladder's gonna be good for. Also on cool. That's what we're looking for. Sounds like an attic fan, an old attic fan or something. Oh, just touched. Let me see this mess. Here we go. Handler, we're good. 2930. Come on, guy. Seriously? Stop. Stop, bro. You're making it easy for me. And that's probably a ceiling fan that I was turning on. It's just spinning with no blade, or it did have one. All right, let me go up here. Where's our light switch? Here. Like a Motley Crue house. Like Bon Jovi's house. Or Madonna. Ah! 89. Okay. You like that? That's not even our problem. I mean, it is a huge problem, but that's not the problem. Like how does that work? Here's your Y and your common outside, which comes in for your white wire, your R, G, and Y from downstairs. Okay. Do. 28 volts, 26. My job up here is done. Now we'll go. I'm glad I checked up here because of that airflow issue. Double plugged filters. Now sending voltage. Could be sending it. Let me see if we are, and then maybe it's the contactor. Check for voltage there. Otherwise, here. Dirty to me. Watch this. What up, Mike? Living the dream. No, I'm down outside. Look at that. It's made in America. The other made is in China. Guys, what's going on? So I'm going to continue this video now. I'm going back to that house. Last night, it got dark. So I swapped the contactor. And that low voltage board right there, there's the L3 wire that is not sending voltage properly to the contactor. So I got to go through those wires right now. But I have my headlamp and I don't particularly like bugs biting my face. So I was like 8:35. I was like, I'm out. So let's go see what it is. So, basically I changed this last night. Okay, so this right here was making this chatter, like that. So my power's off. So downstairs I have it off. So this was, I have it calling right now. I could hear. So let's see it. So just so you guys know, I have 24 volts coming in here. Okay, so what's happening here with this little L3 or T3, whatever they call it, sometimes I'll get this to hop, and that's what was happening with the old contactor. But so all I'm gonna do right now, because it's not a heat pump, I should be able to disconnect this. I should be able to bypass this by just taking, so here's my I have a high pressure, low pressure switch, right? So if I just grab this leg, so this leg right here, this brown comes to here. Okay, I should be able to grab this leg right here and take this purple off. I should be able to. Let's find out. Actually, I could leave that there. Okay, so high pressure switch and low pressure switch tied together, right? So comes into here, ties here, and then this comes back to Y and sends back to the low pressure switch. Okay, so I should be able to grab this right here and just tap it to the side of the contactor, and it should pull in. So let's just see. But like I said, I have my 26 volts here, right? But I don't get them here because it's being stopped. I don't have them on each side of my contactor, obviously, because it's not pulling in, but it's being stopped by that board, with or without that leg on there. So that, and that's what was tripping this tap with the other system. So let me just grab a wire here and then pull it right to here. So the sheathing's off. So I should be able to, in theory, just come right back to this side of my 24 volts. All right, so then we go turn power on. All right, now so I put the wire nut. I like to tape things up when they're behind this type thing here, and then I taped up the wire nuts here just to make it safe. Not safe, but longer time from shorting. So I just put all I'm really doing is connecting my common right here, my Y common, bring one side to here, one side to here. With that being said, I'm gonna go to turn the power on in the basement. We're calling for cool, so it's 82 degrees in here. All right, so one more time, we get 24 volts now, nothing's chattering like yesterday. We want to spin this way. Inside, check temp drop. This coil's filthy though. I want to see if he has water hookup here, and I'll run a little hose for him if he does. If not, I gotta tell him it's gotta be clean, because this is a shame to let this thing go to waste. This is already cooling 2 minutes later. They don't make them like that anymore. Those hands, filthy. 20 degrees down and dirty coil. So I want to clean that coil to discharge more heat. That doesn't need refrigerant. I don't care. I think refrigerant's usually the last thing, unless the thing's low, like flat. I don't even need to check it right now. Clean that coil and this thing will run like a champ for another 35 years. 60.8 degrees. Do 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 do. News had a party. 80 degrees already. Wow, boy. 10:03. So it's not 10:03, but it said 10 o'clock when it was 81. This thing's already cool, and the door's open. But it's a 74. It's like California, baby. Now I say that because it's a contemporary. Like, I never see. He's redoing everything, but I never see stuff like this. Like, look at the toilet paper rack. It's like trippy to me. It's like 80s, 1980s, but he's redoing it all. It's nice. For the supply register, because the attic's over there, right? So this one's dumping. Well, the attic's over there, but the unit's like right here, right above us. You put it right here. This thing's dumping cold. Same thing. 16.6, a little lower. 16.4. Yeah, this thing is cooling, bro. It's like that TV show on HBO. What's it called? Stranger Things. Those are good times. So now it says 10:06. That's good money. And that was the last register we just did, 59. I'm gonna clean it from the outside. I don't need all the hate. What is the color difference? There to there. Why not take care of it, right? I loved it. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Take care. Thank you.